What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use a Tesla destination charger, also known as a wall connector, to charge your Volkswagen ID4 or any other J1772 equipped electric car. Here we are at the charge port of my Volkswagen ID4. I've removed the DC pin cover here, but if you have an electric car in North America that's not a Tesla, your vehicle has this port here. That's known as a J1772 AC charge port, and those are typically used with EVSEs or electric vehicle service equipment, more commonly known as a charger. Even though this doesn't actually charge the battery, the charger is technically inside the car as part of the battery, essentially, or the high voltage electronics. But you would use a EVSE that has this port. This is the J1772 plug end, whereas on the car it's the receptacle end. But that's not what we're going to be charging with today. We're going to be using that Tesla destination charger. So why might you want to use a Tesla destination charger instead of just using a J1772 EVSE? Well, it's simple. A lot of hotels had Tesla destination chargers installed as part of Tesla's destination charger program quite a few years ago. And a lot of those hotels have not actually adopted to also installing J1772 EVSEs, unfortunately. Or I've even encountered that sometimes those hotels will have free Tesla destination charging, but will have paid J1772 charging, typically implemented with like a clipper or a charge point, a blink, other units that can support billing, whereas Tesla destination chargers actually don't support billing, at least as of this video. Technically, V3 Tesla destination chargers have that capability, but to my knowledge, it's not yet rolled out and you can't actually use it yet. So let me show you this Tesla destination charger. So this Tesla destination charger in particular is what Tesla refers to as their version 3 of the Tesla wall connector. These can do up to 48 amps at 240 volt. Very rarely you'll see them up to 277 volts, but more commonly in industrial applications, they're at 207 volts. So if you're not familiar, this is the plug that Tesla uses on their cars for both AC and DC charging, if it wants to focus here. And this actually communicates over the J1772 standard for AC charging, which is what we're doing here, rather than DC charging, which is CCS with the lower pins, like on an ID4 or a North American non-Tesla, or through this plug on Tesla superchargers. But the method I'm about to show you does not work on Tesla superchargers, just to be very clear. So this is the little bit of tech that allows us to use that Tesla destination charger with J1772. So on this end, we have a female receptacle for the Tesla plug, and on this end, we have the male J1772. So we plugged in the Tesla connector to the Electron adapter here. Again, link down below in the description does help out the channel if you buy through that link. And then we're going to be plugging it into the to the ID4 here. And white means nothing, essentially. Flashing white means it's communicating, and then it will go green in just a moment here once it actually starts charging. Every car is a little bit differently, but that's just how the ID4 is. I just heard the contactors on the car click. That indicates that it's charging, and you can see the green light. Again, that means it's charging. And let me just show you the Tesla wall connector as well here. So hopefully that shows on video, but it pulses up and down the green LED, and that indicates that power is flowing. And here we are inside the car as well. I'm not very low on charge, but you can see it's charging at 28 miles per hour. That's a very subjective measurement. I wish the ID4 would show in actual kilowatt, but you can also see it on the ID light there as well. It's charging, it's getting power. We'll wake up with a full charger. Actually, we'll probably go to bed before it has a full charge. So having this Electron J1772 to Tesla adapter gives you a whole lot more options when you're traveling on the road. A lot of hotels will only have one J1772, but may have 2, 4, 6, even more Tesla wall connectors. So I personally like to use the Tesla connectors whenever possible when I'm charging at hotels. That way, if another EV rolls in, they're most likely not going to have this adapter, so they're going to be limited to just that J1772. Whereas any Tesla owner, they should have their J1772 to Tesla adapter, so if it's the last one, that Tesla can still charge on the J1772. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more road trip content and just other EV life content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.